What's it it's me again. And this video is just basically gonna like give a congrats to Sony and their great launch on the PS4. So basically, if you haven't heard, because you've been living under a rock, Sony had like a pretty good launch for the PS4. Like they sold out all of them, and I'm pretty sure it might come back for Black Friday for the sales. And yeah, and all these Nintendo and Sony and Xbox fanboys, they've been complaining or whatever stuff they're doing. You gotta get props. Like for Nintendo fanboys, come on, Sony did a much better launch than Nintendo did for the Wii U. And for Xbox fanboys, you better get props, because Microsoft sent a tweet to Sony and saying, congrats for the PS4 launch, Sony, and that's what I believe it said. So yeah, so you just gotta get props. And what I'm excited for PS4. I'm excited for upcoming games that's gonna also come up for a feature, and also the launch title like Killzone, Shadowfall, like Knack, and Forza. So I'm really excited for those games, or if I get a PS4. So I'll be excited about those, and upcoming Uncharted 4, which they just announced. So yeah, I'm just making the video just say congratulations to Sony. You did a good job, better than Nintendo on your launch of your new next generation console. Okay, this video. There'll be more upcoming videos, and my brother Guns. He will be making another video about marbles again. So yeah, and also don't forget to check our Twitter pages in the description below. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. See ya.